want you to bring this leg up and back down. Okay, so much easier on this side, huh?
Yeah.
So there's more pain on this side, but this side doesn't work as well.
Yeah.
So we'll start first of all with the drop table. I'm going to push down like this, and the table will drop underneath you, okay? Bring this leg. There we go, huh? And this side? Good stuff, okay.
Oh my God.
All clear.
Wow.
That's a big change, huh?